Trim side came through. Got the radio, touchscreen. This thing is so light. It's crazy. Comes with like a little camera. I got the wire harness kit that has the one that goes into the factory right here. Fused already. Come with butt connectors, zip ties, and you got electrical tape. So that's pretty cool. So we'll be hooking this up. Well, got it all wired in to the radio harness, to the wire harness kit. They even come with these brackets on the side. So I'm gonna plug it in and see if it works. Well, it is installed. I gotta see about maybe using the brackets that came with it, or I'm gonna have to trim this. This looks kind of weird, or maybe push it out further. But I had to tap into the cigarette lighter for my ACC wire here, so I'll end up probably taking all this up and getting all nice and neat. But it does work. It plays, ready to go. So we got into a little dilemma. This stereo is a little bit taller than the actual bezel that goes around it, and I'm surprised the sticker's still up here. Why, but but yeah, I think I found a solution though. If I fit the top part up, that'll fit, and this will fit around it, looks like. I mean, I'm gonna have to trim this up maybe a little bit, but I think I could probably fit that around there. And there's like a little piece of plastic right here inside. I could probably take the rotary tool and just trim this off, even though that's there probably for support. But you know, I think if I just kind of let it, you know, look like this, it'll be fine. I mean, it's a 08 Dodge. I mean, you know, we're not going for competition or nothing like that. I mean, if I just go around and trim all this up, I think, yeah, I think that's more or less for support. So I just gotta be very careful about how much I trim right here. You know, just kind of go down and around, and then I can make that work. It is installed. I mean, for this type of vehicle, I think this is fine enough. I just got these two tabs popped in and the bottom two tabs popped in. Down here, these two are not all the way in, but for what it's worth, it's not going nowhere. And yeah, this will work perfectly, I think. And it works good. I just got to get the antenna on top, and the FM radio work, but I use Bluetooth, so it seems like this is the best route to go for 50 bucks instead of trying to put a actual factory one back in. That makes no sense. Hey everyone, Eric, Auto Replay, 2008 Dodge. Whew, that sounds bright. Nitro. And show you what got done so far, some update. Got the interior cleaned by a local guy, Eric. Man, these seats came out amazing. I mean, he did an awesome job, and he's not even all the way done. I mean, he got like the crevices, like it started raining on him, but he got a lot of the stains. There's a little hole right there, but he got all that fixed. You know, sun's got stuff all in it, but you know, these seats came out good. Got that window replaced yesterday, so I put all that back together, that side. And got my rotors replaced with new brakes on the front, so that's good. You can actually stop without worrying about anything. So I'm gonna look at taking this paint off, man. I don't know. Some of these rims may be okay. They seem like they got some pitting in it. I don't know, that's just the paint, or yeah, I know on one of them is the chrome that's messed up, so I don't know if I should try to clean these up and see if they got chrome on them or what. You know, probably make it look a little better, but you know, who knows. And I was going to take it back to Eric, let him buff this out, because it's got all these, you know, residue or glue or something all in the paint right here. So, but yeah, I've been drying it, so been fun.